Let's ride on Big Thunder Mountain Railroad in Walt Disney World. Come on, everybody. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad is a mine train themed roller coaster located in Frontierland. The ride has a 40-inch height requirement and is one of the most popular in the park. Each train can have up to 15 rows of seats, with 2 guests seated per row. The ride reaches speeds of about 35 miles per hour and lasts just about 3 minutes. Big Thunder Mountain doesn't have a singular large drop. It just has many small drops and tight turns that make this ride as thrilling as it is. Due to an advanced computer system, up to 5 trains can be running on Big Thunder Mountain at any given time. The rockwork on Big Thunder Mountain is designed to look like Monument Valley in Arizona. There are 3 separate lift hills throughout the attraction. Even though they don't last very long, you can get some wonderful views from the top of those lift hills. The largest drop on Big Thunder Mountain Railroad is only about 35 feet, but it is definitely known as the wildest ride in the wilderness for a reason. The sharp turns will jostle you around quite a bit, so be prepared. The theming of this roller coaster is some of the best that I have ever seen. They go by fast, but always keep your eyes open for clever puns and nods to Disney's Imagineers. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad is such a beloved attraction. There are 4 versions of it throughout the Disney parks. Even though the ride here in Magic Kingdom in Florida opened over 40 years ago, it is still one of the most popular rides in the park. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that you are enjoying the content.